What is up, my amazing YouTube friends? Welcome back to the sickest garage here on the platform. My name is B with Pray for Snow Auto Detailing, and I'm so pumped to have you here because we have this 2017 Toyota Sienna in black, gloss black. It is going to be a sick transformation. Cloth seats on the inside, which are not my faves, but these are going to transform oh so well. The exterior has the normal Utah winter grime on the outside. I'm really pumped about this. The wheels, these are aftermarket wheels, which I don't really see on minivans all the time. So pretty sick, but let's get to work. I love here in Utah in the winter how dirty the floor gets. It's so impossible to keep up on because this is one storm. You just get one storm, you park in the garage with both of mine and my beautiful wife's car, and here we are. It's so hard to keep up with. One thing I can say for certain, no carpeted wheel wells. Oh yeah. Those wheels, I got tricked. Well, I got on the wheel wells. I totally got tricked because they did have carpet on them. Lame. I don't think I've done a Toyota Sienna with carpeted wheel wells, so I got punked. Maybe I have. I don't know. Things get jumbled. All this road grime I don't like, and if I just were to hand wash it right now without rinsing it and pre-washing it first, all of this would act as sandpaper, which is lame. And this is definitely salt. So we want to get it off. I've got Koch Chemie Green Star, I think is what it is, as a pre-wash. Since I'm kind of convinced y'all are whiners and you get super upset when I rinse from the bottom to the top, I'm gonna try this time for you, the whiners, to rinse from top to bottom, but I don't think I'm gonna like it, but I'll do it for you. Rinsing from the top to the bottom, as lame as I anticipated it to be, but let's hand wash. First, we're gonna hit it with some shampoo in the foam cannon or through the foam cannon. Then we'll hand wash with the 2-bucket method still. Hand washing was so sick. I was really impressed every time I took another little pass how much, it was just grime. That stuff gets really stuck on there. The salt, the winter debris, whatever. It's pretty rough on them. So we're almost out of that. Let's use iron decon. Before we do a physical decon, we'll do a chemical one so that I can take those hard edges off that, whatever's on here, on the paint. And then we'll go through and physically decontaminate, which is gonna just make the paint smooth and oh, so awesome. Chemical decontamination always makes me chuckle because I've recommended it to friends, customers, whatever, people who want to do their own detailing. I recommend a nice solid chemical decon every once in a while as the manufacturers of paint protection recommend. But the few friends I've recommended it to and customers, they always comment back on how bad it stinks, and they're not wrong. This stuff stinks. Just like everything else, I'm actually really pumped to get to the interior because just like everything else on this exterior, the dirt, not dirt, it needed love. The exterior was, I mean, it's not in bad shape, but it just had so much stuff. The chemical decontamination went really well, but this physical decontamination, I've already done a little bit of it. It's grimy. That grimy implies, I don't know how to describe it. It's got a ton of contamination on there. It just needed that extra layer of love, and holy cow, me giving it to it, it's turning out great. I'm really pumped. So I'm just gonna finish on this side, then we'll paint protect. It's cold in here. Icing on the cake for the exterior detail, paint protection. We're gonna use it as a drying aid. I found a ton of success with this, so let's do it. I just barely noticed when my beautiful wife and I, historically, have dropped things between the seats. We always call it falling into the abyss because sometimes stuff falls down in there. Actually, in the Jeep, yeah, it was in the Jeep. I dropped the key and it went under the center console. I had to take the front seat out, and Spartacus had to reach his hand in there because I could not do it alone. But this has the little blocks. Saves the abyss. Let's get going on the interior cloth seats. The customer definitely wanted these cloth seats clean. There's a bunch of stains right about the head area in the back from the passengers. Front seats don't look too bad, but carpet's okay all the way around. Not much in the way of personal items, but we'll take these rubber floor mats out. They're Sienna branded, which is sick. We'll take those out. There's actually really not anything first aid kit, but not a lot for personal items. We'll take the middle seats out and these floor mats, that jump seat out of the back, and then we'll get going on the floor mats. As I pulled out that little jump seat, I was thinking about the Toyota seats, and I think Fords used to have them too. The seats in the back that didn't face forward, but they faced each other, so they were perpendicular to the driver and passenger. Do you remember those? The Mazdas. My dad had a Mazda B2000, and it also had those jump seats. Where did they go? They couldn't have been safe, but they were awesome. If you like being squoze. It's like a hug. It's like a warm truck hug. In true Sienna fashion, carpets are always dirty. These little mounts are just the worst, but it shouldn't be bad. The Tornador really does a good job of getting in there and getting out that dust and debris without needing to remove all the plastics, which is great because sometimes those, once you remove them, they never go back. Can't cut back. carpets really weren't that bad. Did you see that mess of sunflower seeds? Seems like I've already banned those once from vehicles, but apparently that ban didn't take hold because there was another pile. But let's carpet clean. The seats, I got a ton. The seats definitely have some stains on them. I'm kind of worried about these stains right here. And there's some on that passenger seat. The carpets aren't horrible. I mean, there's normal stains from foot traffic where the mats didn't touch, but yeah, I'm kind of worried about those stains. I think it'll, we'll see. It's just, I'm string of bad luck, I guess. I just broke my normal HDX sprayer that I was using for the carpet cleaner. So I had to go to my backup HDX sprayer, which isn't quite as nimble. It doesn't have the wand, and I like the wand. But it's just funny because the extractor still broke. I still got to get that thing replaced. I submitted a warranty claim, but I haven't checked the email. My mom told me I have way too many emails in my email. I airplayed the other day to the TV to show my mom and dad some videos of us snowboarding. And yeah, she said I had too many. And that's true because I don't know if the warranty claim came through. Should probably look. I've mentioned before, and I think I've even shown a tiny little clip of Spartacus doing some epic shredding. But this past week, we went out as a family, and this is the first time, really. Well, this is the first season we've all been able to go, but this was the first time we all really went out together and shredded and really rode, because the first couple of times we went, it's just kind of slow moving when you're trying to get the baby to learn and everything. Little monkey's just picking it up. But holy cow, this last trip, Spartacus has this flow, and I almost forget how flowy his flow is, but he has got this vibe that's just beautiful. How he rides anything is just so sick. And he started carving, but he carves in this unique way where he just does a little circle, and it made me giddy. I was so happy to watch it. My beautiful wife rode really well. She was actually out of commission last season, so she didn't get to ride with us, and then Monkey was just too little. But all of us went out this week. It was beautiful. P&S Express Interior Detailer for the plastics. There's not a ton of plastic really to clean. And the plastic isn't in horrible shape. The carpets they were absolutely thrashed, but the plastics aren't really that bad. So this should go pretty quick, I imagine. My beautiful bride just came out and checked out this thing and she's like, oh, sick wheels. And again, it's just, I don't see Siennas with custom wheels or aftermarket wheels, custom, whatever. Cleaning the plastic was oh so glorious. Let's protect with CarPro Pro, cause I like it and it's beautiful. Yeah. I would of course like to take some time to thank the customer. Thank you, epic customer. The Sienna was beautiful, kind of cool, aftermarket wheels. It's way fun. Different is fun. Thanks for letting me detail your rant. Hope you like this video. This detail was so much fun. I really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. And of course, catch you on the next one.